Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. More mini DV camcorder issues now. Do you hear something? This is something that companies don't check, is audio. Listen. Okay, now. There it goes again. So it's like the best man speech. Guess what? This tape is 52 minutes. It's almost done. But guess what? It's unacceptable. And this is why professionals are checking all of this stuff. And why for 10, 12, 15, 20 bucks a tape, you're not getting crap back. You're not getting all this stuff checked. And these tapes are so problematic. This is 2006, so what's that, 18 years? Yep, 18 years ago. Now, that tape had an issue at the beginning. I had to restart it. I've got another video where I was showing the bars and the lines on it. And then I've been watching it. And then I've been checking the audio as well. And then I heard that. Now, I'm going to try it on this one here.
Because it was the night that all the boys were just out on the evening, and we were just looking at each other going, what are we going to do? So we ended up at this big, huge party in San Francisco.
So that sounds okay. So that means that that video head, audio head clogged. It needs cleaning and or replacing because it could be the tape. Oh, what was that noise? God, whenever I hear noises in here, I'm like, oh no, what's that? I've already cleaned the head on that because it was giving me issues before. That means that that one now is going to be pulled as it should be, as any professional transfer company immediately should pull the machine, send it over here, needs to be cleaned, taken care of. All these need to be cleaned, all maintained, pulled as they should be pulled and monitored. That is the difference between a quality transfer company that's going to get you clear picture and audio from fast deteriorating tapes and players. All of the particles, there's no freon in mini DV tapes. So it's oxidizing, it's flaking, it's clogging the video heads. And as they go, it clogs and it can't read the information. People are getting back all their files looking like trash. Pixelation, audio. I can guarantee you nobody checks audio. You have to check audio because if you're watching this stuff and then you're going, oh, it's the best man speech. Yeah. Like that's annoying just with me doing the video. I'm not even watching all of your home videos with the happy birthday to you. Like it's forget about it. So let's have a look here. What the hell did I just do with a number? Tape number 18. And it's the wedding. You know, it's wedding day. It's important stuff. And this is why people pay me. They go, dude, oh shit, look. You know, sometimes it is the tape. It'll clear up in a second. All right, first few seconds, sometimes. This tape is a pain in my ass. It's not about the easy stuff. Everyone goes, oh, this is easy. Yeah, maybe 70% of it is easy. And then the 30% takes you 400% more than the 70%. So it's like dealing with a problem child. You know, if you had 4 kids and 3 were easy, and then there was the troubled one that was 8 times more of a pain. I mean, look. This is constant. Legacy Box, iMemories, all these companies, they're not monitoring stuff. They just go, oh, even I've got a job coming in from Ever-Present as well. I'm going to be doing a review on that company. Interesting. Very interesting. And I will be documenting that. But this numbskull, $12 an hour kids that are doing this work, they just go, oh, tape's gone bad. No, it could be, but more than likely it's the player. As they bang on and on and on again. Oh, what is this now? It's recorded off TV. It's oh no. See, stuff like this it's just TV recordings. And sometimes with stuff that's been, people used to record like Days of Our Lives, Knight Rider, The Price is Right, over and over again on the same VHS tape, because it was a novelty back in the 80s to do that. And then they're like, you know what, we're going to put all of our home movies on that VHS tape that we've recorded over 5, 6, 7 times, put it at extended play, so it's 6 hours and 8 minutes. And then I'm going to hand it over and I expect absolute perfection. No. Yeah. Yeah, my dad did that. My dad was, you know, these blank video 8 tapes in 1985 were very expensive. You know, 20, 30 bucks each. That's what it's costing to transfer this stuff now. You know, well, no, it's not. And he would reuse them again and again and again, and then record them to VHS tape. And there'd be like home movies, and then, you know, some Murder, She Wrote or whatever would be on it. So the stuff that's recorded from the TV and then recorded over again, I mean, the states of some of these tapes I get in are questionable. That does affect anything recorded off the TV or duplicated from a camcorder onto another video, i.e. VHS. Sometimes problems galore because the video heads are aligned differently, or the video heads were dirty. The recording head on that VCR back in 1989 was filthy, and then the recording's filthy. So it's kind of is what it is. That's rare, but it's challenging trying to match head alignments with stuff that's been recorded off the TV. Anyway, if you would like me to do your home movies, bang it, knock it out of the park, check for clear picture audio, gotmemories.com. If you're looking for cheap quotes, do not waste your time filling out the quote form. I cater to people that care about their memories. I care probably more than what the customer cares usually, because the state in which I'm getting these tapes and discs in have not been cared for. And that's where a lot of these companies are going, aha, we can get away with transferring nothing and blaming the customer for storing their tapes in nefarious places. And then people go, oh no, and then they keep the money. And then people forget about it, throw it away, put it back in the closet. Oh well. So anyway, all the best to you guys out there. Cheers. Bye.